Sounds of the Bay.
On Sounds of the Bay.
Sounds of the Bay.
What's up, Sounds of the Bay? From your boy Automatic representing GCE. Talk about me, Blitz Squad. It's your boy King Khaleesi.
It's your boy SDK sitting the Kingpin.
You know, just want to give my homie a shout out, My Way Records on East Soul, for putting this amazing show together. I love Bobby Tar. You guys keep doing what you do, you know what I'm saying? We're out here grinding.
I've been rapping for about 12 and a half years. I've been doing music for about 15 though. I produce, I write, engineer, mix and master, I do it all.
Well, tonight we're out here representing for the I Love Boobies tour. We putting our little hands in, trying to help out with cancer and giving them money to find out cures and stuff like that.
I look for our music to be going a lot of places all over the United States. We're trying to travel internationally, doing shows. We're really trying to put together a full-scale show, play on music / album kind of thing where we're integrating our music into a live performance with live instruments, live bands, dances, choreography, a full-out show so people can look at hip-hop as an art form more so than just music or rapping or anything like that.
Down for my acting crew. Let go. See little mama lying down that pole. She got the flow on her head, but she on the neck. Trying to learn out of control. Two women out there, bring it back, 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 bring it back. Hey, hey.
We are performing out here tonight. We're gonna do our thing like we normally do. Do it royally. RFE is in the building.
I'm smoking good. I'm on my Wiz Khalifa. Talking about that loud for the fragrance. My bag is arena. And with that head shouting cold, I'm talking that Keisha. And Lord forgive me cause I sell and I deal with a team. Like Fresh Prince, I got dumb. My time ain't never been patient. I got the heart of a winner. I don't know them feet. Everywhere you see the kids, you know I carry on the streets. Hot in the winter, cold in spring. Everybody see me, I'm doing my thing.
Thank you for having the Sounds of the Bay.